Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. We've got a bunch of crypto market updates to get into, guys. Right now in the video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe down below. If you haven't already, we'll take a look at top headlines here this morning. We'll take a look at the overall market, where I think the best opportunities are right now in the altcoin sector as well. So we'll dive into all of that, guys, for you in this video. So again, drop your comments down below. Love to hear from you guys. Engage with this content. I want to push this out to the masses. This is your spot for daily crypto updates and news information. We've got you covered all the time. So in kind of a interesting development, Coinbase will list BNB for trading, expanding beyond just wallet support as BNB nears new highs. Of course, they've been setting new all-time highs for quite some time. In other news, the United States has seized $15 billion in Bitcoin from a Cambodia-based scammer, Chen Z, marking the DOJ's largest crypto forfeiture ever. And we'll see what happens with this $15 billion in Bitcoin if it's just held on the balance sheet. We know the United States has done this before. They've seized Bitcoin that has been used for nefarious activities and basically just held that asset. We've also got SEC Chair Paul Atkins vowing to make crypto and tokenization regulations pro-innovation, calling the SEC the Securities and Innovations Commission. So this was another big story and headline that recently just hit. Couple more things to get to, then we'll take a look at the charts. Cloudflare has partnered with Visa, MasterCard, and Amex to build secure AI payment rails for autonomous agentic commerce. Very interesting there. Kraken-backed Ethereum L2 Inc. has launched Tidro, a white label Aave V3 platform enabling Inc.-based DeFi lending and borrowing. And we've also got Thumbs Up Media, which is owned by Donald Trump, exploring Dogecoin payouts for its ad app, aiming for faster, cheaper creator rewards and global micro payments as well. So those are your top headlines, and that is across the board here today. Let's dive into some other things here quickly. I want to tell you about our great offer we've got going on with the Patreon right now. We are getting ready for our live call tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. Eastern. We are diving deep into the market. You're going to be able to see my entire portfolio, all my buys and sells, get access to my private community, watch me build a new crypto portfolio that we've already started. We've got 4 assets in there. You'll be able to see the stocks and cryptos I own, long-term, everything, all the alpha you want, and trading signals daily. We've got it all. All right, so come on over and join us at the Patreon. This is the best bang for your buck in all of the crypto market. All right, I'm confident in saying that. This is not coming from a place of, look at me and blah, blah, blah. Guys, I'm made this thing cheaper than anybody else's Patreon out there because I want this to get out to the masses. I want you to have an opportunity to gain the advantage you need in order to have success in this market. And so come on over and check us out. It's the top link in the description. You do not want to miss it. All right, let's take a look at the overall market here today. Let me put myself down here in the lower right box here, and we'll take a look at some pricing here as we get closer and closer to market open today. Bitcoin is sitting here, still range bound, same old song and dance. It's basically been the same thing since Friday. Since we recovered from the Friday crash, we're basically in no man's land with Bitcoin, waiting to see which direction we're going to go next. We're still range bound here, 111.4. Ethereum range bound here right around 4,000. Yeah, we'll dip below it a little bit, and we'll go above it. Basically, same song and dance here. BNB, XRP, same thing. All these assets are pretty much just hovering here, not doing much of anything. Now, there are some interesting assets on sale. Not too much to talk about on the gainer section. There is more to talk about on the losers section. Some of the biggest losers right now in the top 100 are some assets that I think could bounce very, very nicely if we get, I should say, when we get a nice bounce in the market. Zcash, BitTensor, Tau, and Aster have all three been leaders here over the past several weeks, especially Zcash and BitTensor here in the last couple weeks. These assets right now on sale, in my opinion. BIT10s are coming down a little bit, down 9%. Zcash, a little pullback here as well. But Aster looks really, really solid here as well at 134. I really like this one. I mentioned to my Patreon members yesterday at 130 that I absolutely loved it. And so a lot of people made that play. If they took a little small leverage play, they're already up on that. They could be, taking profits right now. We got a nice bounce on that $1.30 level. And so those are kind of the things that stand out to me the most. I do like SWE down here, still at 271. Ondo at 77 cents jumps off the page at me. I still like Pepe at these levels. Same thing with Bonk. If I'm going into the meme coin world, I like those two on the pullbacks right now. And overall, we're just kind of waiting and seeing what's going to happen next. We need some type of catalyst to propel us forward. But we'll be all over it for you guys. You guys know you guys can find me here every single day, multiple videos. We are here for you, not going anywhere. We're here every single day. So make sure you guys are subscribed, put notifications on, and I'll see you over on the inside with the inner circle. That VIP tier gets you all set and ready to go for our live call tomorrow morning. We do that every single Friday. You're going to get live calls with me. You could direct message me. So check out the Patreon down below. Appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.